Hi everybody, my name is Heather and I work on the talent acquisition team at Intel Ireland, and we're very excited to be part of the Recruit.ie Manufacturing and Engineers Careers Fair on Thursday, April 7th. Myself and my team will be there hands-on to answer any questions you may have about the roles we have currently in our Intel manufacturing facility. We're looking for process engineers and manufacturing technicians, and we'd love you to apply. This is a free and virtual event, and the benefits of it being virtual means you can log in from anywhere in Ireland and talk to our team. At Intel, we create world changing technology that enriches the lives of every single person on the planet. So come be a part of our team. I'd encourage you now to log on, create your account, upload your CV, and start applying for your dream job. And myself and my colleagues can't wait to meet you on Thursday, April 7th, where we can help you land your dream career at Intel.